Good morning, YouTube. What is going on? All right, we have the trailer hooked up. We are going for the very first splash day for the boat. Totally excited about that. I got my buddy with me. Say what's up.
What's up?
I'm gonna do some fishing. First time of the year. So all this work that I've been doing, and we're going up a hill. Sorry about the engine noise. All the work that I've been doing is pretty much coming down to this, and also camping. We're gonna be taking this boat camping as well. We are going up to Lake Simcoe. So let's have some fun and get the boat wet. That's it. All right, see you at the lake. Tires are wet. No, I lifted it.
Oh, okay.
Back up. Okay, brake hard. Okay, go. All right, so we just launched the boat in the water, as you guys saw, and we are on our way to walk down. The boat has been idling for about maybe 5 minutes, warming up. We just paid for parking over here, and we're super stoked. This is going to be sick. Oh, the boat looks good. Oh, take a look at this. Oh, look how clear this water is. Insane. Oh yeah. Water is spitting out of there, purring like a kitten. You ready?
Oh yeah, let's do this.
Let's do this. We are off.
So you know the spots already, right?
A little bit. Okay, you ready? All right, so we just anchored off this spot. Somebody on the app that I have, Navionics, said that there's a lot of perch over here. So we are gonna test this out. And yeah, so we got some weird green stuff rolling in on us. It was clear at one point. I have my bobber out somewhere over there. And my buddy's bobber is out over there. We saw some perch nibbling at our hooks, and I don't know. We'll see if we can get something. So far, we're enjoying this, man.
Oh yeah.
Beautiful sunny day. Man, super stoked. All right, dude, you got it.
Got it. Maybe not.
Oh,
Let it go.
that was so close. Oh, look at mine. Mine's under.
Tim.
I got him.
Woo!
Oh, dude, and it's a good size too. Oh, get my camera.
Alright.
Oh, you got it? You're gonna have to send me that.
Whoa!
Jeez, that's a huge one.
Woo! Yeah!
that's a
Oh
good-
yeah! Let me take a photo of this, Tim. Woo! That's freaking awesome.
Not bad for a first time. Polarized. Oh, dude, using my sunglasses. Look at that. Oh, we got a fish. Almost got a fish on.
Oh, he took in the.
It's literally the whole school is down there. There it is. Ah. I don't know if you guys can see that. Just as I start filming, doesn't the wind pick up? I am so sorry if there's any noise. All right, we just got back. We parked the boat. We got to tarp it back up. My buddy had to take off. He had to get back home really quick. And anyways, for today, it went amazing. I'm super stoked. First splash of the year. I couldn't ask for anything more. A beautiful sunny day. As you can see, it's still sunny. Awesome fish. The fish were biting really good. Most of the fish that we caught, we only got caught 2 good sized ones. The rest of them were babies. We put them back. So there was one little hiccup. The boat wouldn't start when we wanted to come back into shore. I thought it was actually the solenoid, because when you turned the key, it wasn't clicking. Like the solenoid wouldn't even click. So I hot wired the boat. Basically the 2 positive terminals on the solenoid, touched that with the screwdriver, and the motor started up fine. Later on, what I found out, just playing around with it now, was actually the neutral safety switch wasn't being engaged. So what I did was put the boat into forward, put the boat back into neutral, reverse, neutral, forward, neutral, to engage the safety switch, and the motor now starts fine. So that's a big thing. I thought maybe the solenoid was actually gone. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Smash that like button if you liked it. Leave a comment down below. Until the next time, I'll see you out there.